Hey yo, this is your boy George Tebekhosi, aka Young G. So I'm gonna be dancing for you today. So the reason why you should vote for me is that I believe Botswana needs a chance, to be put on the map. So here goes.